To kick off this episode, unfortunately, we have to rip out the old engine in preparation for the new engine. I didn't expect this to be happening so soon.
Fucking son of a bitch. God. Oh, and now you're fucking back in, you stupid fuck. God damn it. Fuck you.
For some reason, I thought it would be a great idea to disassemble the engine down to the short block and then remove just that while leaving the transmission in place. That was a huge mistake, and I should have just pulled the long block with the transmission still attached.
Przerywa się jak noczna rzeka. Unosi strach, unosi piekielny zew. Tajemna moc przybliża dzień walki demona. Zatruty dźwięk wydaje diabelski krew.
The timing cover was already cracked, so I determined this was the quickest form of removal so that I could inspect the camshaft.
Wyplułem śmierć, śmierć. Wyplułem śmierć, śmierć. Zaczarny ton za jego brak i głosy cienia. Szepczące pij, zawiść wypijające krew. Zaczarci dzwon, złowieszczy kult, za heavy metal. Wypijam ciecz z owoców cierpkich jak grzech. Szyderca, szyderca, szyderca.
Ladies and gentlemen, the engine is properly borked. The only salvageable component from the short block was this improved racing oil pickup tube brace. Since the engine was out of the engine bay, I decided to paint it white with red craft glitter because, as we all know, it's illegal to blow an engine with a white engine bay. State law, look it up!
Oh my God! Oh my God! I've never seen it like that. What the fuck? Oh no! Ah!
The replacement short block is an LC9 unit, which means it's a lighter, all-aluminum block with flat-top pistons for an added compression bump. The drawback is that it is a displacement on-demand engine, which means more components will have to be purchased to delete that system. The good news is that the short block appears to be in great shape. It turns over freely, and the cylinders even appear to be tip-top. It's just a little dirty from typical use. That's it for this episode. Check back soon, as this rebuild will be happening very quickly in time for next month's Drift event. If you haven't already done so, check out fgre.featuredgarage.com and pick up one of the new super comfy t-shirts, stickers, or a 10 Hz DIY Bluetooth module for you track day and autocross enthusiasts. Hey, we're a small shop, but we gotta start somewhere. Be sure to catch us around the web at Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Until next time.